Hello everyone, it's LasithKArt in an extended video, and today I'll be painting a reflection scene with mountains in the background. Now today I won't have my palette cam, but we'll see how it goes. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all, I begin by adding cerulean blue into the corners of the sky and working my way down towards the horizon line with acrylic white as usual for the sky. And then I add some light clouds using acrylic white. Now I begin adding the distant mountains using a lightish grey mixture, and then I add a darker green tone for the closer mountains. Now I add shadows and highlights to the mountains to top those off. And then I add the rocks on the mountain, and then I begin adding the water. I'm using a dark blue in the distance and a very light blue in the foreground, as the sun's reflecting off the water and there's not much color to the water here. And then I begin adding the beach using a dark grey, and I add light grey on top, and begin adding the reflections of the mountains using various tones. I add the tiniest hint of blue to the sand to make sure the reflections of the sky come through, and in the distance at the base of the mountain I add the smallest bit of white so that the sun reflecting off the water vapor in the distance is visible. And then I add the distant yellow sand and the sea foam, and then it's done. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this video, and I hope you really enjoyed it. Now the name of this painting is Glassy Reflections at Oberon Bay. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to check out my Google Plus and Instagram at LasithKArt. And I hope to see some of you guys in my future videos. And thanks for watching, and see you next time.